Hey everyone, MechanicMan92 here. So today I'm going to show you guys a thorough toolbox tour of my Milwaukee 46-inch toolbox. I did show you guys just a brief, quick video of like just the basic layout that I had of it when I first got this, but I finally organized things mostly, so here we go. So up top, right now I have safety glasses, welding helmet, and my chargers. On the side I have my magnetic trace. This side, nothing. Open the first drawer. All my sockets. I have my 1/2-inch deep and shallow, metric and standard. I have my 3/8 shallow and deep, metric and standard. I also have 1/4-inch metric and standard. I also have a 10 and 11 millimeter socket snap-on, spark plug sockets, all my extensions, 1/4-inch, 3/8. I believe this is 3/8 wobble impact, 1/2-inch, more 1/2-inch, and a longer 1/2-inch right there. And over here I have my shallow and deep 1/2-inch impacts, metric, standard, my 3/8 shallow, deep, and swivel, all right here. I did get rid of the, the Harbor Freight lug nut sockets. One of them shattered on me, so I returned them, and I will never use those again. So that's about it on that. This drawer, I have my Bodywork drawer. I just did an unboxing video about this kit right here. This is a wet or dry sponge. It's can even put sandpaper on there, just like get a little bit of a curve to it. I'm going to be ordering a sanding block soon to add to this drawer right here. Right now, that's that. Over here, I have all my ratchets. Pittsburgh, Snap-on, Craftsman, Pittsburgh, Craftsman, Pittsburgh, Craftsman, Pittsburgh, Craftsman, Pittsburgh, Snap-on, Craftsman, Sunex. In this drawer, just all my air tools. I have air hammer, reversible drill, angled die grinder, cutoff wheel, DA, my paint gun, 1/2-inch impact, just all the little bits and attachments, gun lube or air gun lube, drill bits, more air fittings on the bottom. Over here is just a drawer that I have my picks, screwdrivers, upholstery tools, punches, chisels, and screwdriver bits back there for my Matco, and little files way back there. Here's my pliers and cutters. These Craftsman came in a set of 3. Angle to the right, angle to the left, and straight. Have my Nipix Cobra pliers, vice grip pliers. All these are just Irwin vice grip pliers, and just plain vice grips. Have these Harbor Freight. These are for the Christmas tree plier or Christmas tree clips. have these ones. These are also from Harbor Freight. These are for the push pin pliers. I did a video on that. So over here, it's just my hammers and my box items. I have dead blow hammers, a regular claw hammer, ball peen hammer, rubber mallet, and a plastic hammer back there. I have my Diablo hole saw kit, which I got from Get to Work. Right there. Also from that company, I got the Nipix Cobra pliers. So I think that was pretty cool. And then I have my Chicago Electric industrial soldering gun. There you go. My slide hammer. Boom. Torque sticks. Harbor Freight impact driver. And my Maddox radiator pressure test kit. Go. And in this drawer, all my electric tools. I have my Milwaukee M12 3/8 drill. Milwaukee M18 half-inch drill. Craftsman 19.2 volt C3 impact driver. And my Craftsman 19.2 volt C3 half-inch impact. Also have an M18 light. 3/8 M12 cordless ratchet. All the different batteries that it has. This drawer is actually empty right now, or this toolbox is actually empty right now. Over here I have my Craftsman Digitick torque wrench. Over here, besides just some of the stuff up top like the lights and the battery, or the instant starting power jump start system, all I have is all my wrenches here. Craftsman Universal wrenches from 8 all the way up to 19. Have my stubby metric, my gear wrench, ratcheting, metric, Pittsburgh ratcheting flex head, and the same thing in standard, except these ones are just older Craftsman, Pittsburgh, and a Tecton one. In a little bit I plan on getting SAE version of this one. Other than that, it's the same on both sides. This drawer I just have 2 additional socket trays for 1/4 inch. Have more magnetic trays here. 2 long screwdrivers from Harbor Freight. 1/2 inch and 3/8 breaker bar. And my snap-on, what's it called? Pry bar. I believe it's the striking pry bar. Yeah, striking pry bar. This one is 36 inches in length. So, also have my battery load tester. My buffer right there. And that's it. So, and just my normal stuff that I have over there. Except I've been getting the newer WD-40 stuff. I have the water-resistant silicone lubricant and the protective white lithium grease. So yeah, right now I'm thinking maybe holding off on getting the top portion of this toolbox because I like using this as like a small work area. Like a work surface. What I was thinking about maybe doing is getting the Harbor Freight 5-drawer tool cart and just putting the rest of the stuff that's in there in that tool cart. Maybe have because it's the same. It's like that drawer, another drawer, that same size on top. Bigger drawer right here, and then these 2 drawers. So what I plan on doing is maybe having like this drawer being metric and this one being standard, and then maybe having some of my other items, like might have all my air tools up top right here. That way they're like easily available, or I might just have all my sanding discs and stuff like that there. But it's the plan. It's a little bit cheaper that way too, but I might do that, or I might get the top portion. I'm not sure. Kind of like just having like a work area that I can just stand up at instead of like using my tool cart to like have stuff on. But that's a decision I'm going to be thinking about. So, yeah, that's I guess toolbox tour for February 2017, along with a longer video of my Milwaukee toolbox. Love this toolbox. I really like how much I can store in it. Definitely a lot. I like the soft close feature it has. Like that, it's not banging around like this one. It's like, with this you have to like really push it in, whereas this just takes it in for you. So much better. Definitely highly recommend this box more than anything. So, yeah. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.